Pay equality is a means of eliminating race discrimination. Many women and people of color are still segregated into a small number of jobs, such as clerical, service workers, nurses, and teachers. These jobs have historically been undervalued and continue to be underpaid to a large extent because of the gender and race of the people who hold them. Facts: women are paid on average only 78% of what men are paid. In 1963, after the Equal Pay Act was passed, full-time working women were paid 59 cents on average for every dollar paid to men. Who is Lilly Ledbetter? For nearly 20 years, from 1979 until she retired in 1998, Miss Ledbetter worked as a supervisor at Goodyear's tire plant in Gadsden. She was an area manager, one of the few women in such a position. At first, her pay was in line with what the men in the same job made. Then it slipped. By the end of 1997, she made $3,727 a month. The lowest paid man doing that same work made $4,286 a month, and the highest paid men were getting $5,236. So she sued. Her legal argument was this: every time the company wrote her a check, it was committing sex discrimination. But she lost. The Supreme Court, by 5-4 vote, said she waited too long to sue. The majority said federal law requires workers to file their complaints within 180 days for an act of discrimination. The Lilly Ledbetter Fair Pay Act of 2009 was signed into law by President Barack Obama on January 29, 2009. The bill amends the Civil Rights Act of 1964. Equal Pay Day was originated in 1996 as a public awareness event to illustrate the gap between men's and women's wages. The Equal Pay Day is Tuesday, April 12, 2011. Pay equity makes good business sense. It promotes a workforce that feels valued, which helps the bottom line. Today, in our competitive economy, fair pay policies will also help attract the best workers.